In this video, we will be showcasing the Sigma Mission 1P Vertical Machining Center in full. This includes an overview of the machine and its various components, as well as a demonstration of its computer numeric control system. Once we have provided an overview of the machine, we will delve deeper into how it functions and performs machining tasks. This will include a detailed explanation of the pallet change feature, as well as a demonstration of the machine in action. We will also discuss the various features of the Sigma Mission 1P that make it such a valuable asset in any workshop or manufacturing facility, including its impressive X, Y, and Z axis range of motion, and its impressive NDEG 40 taper. Overall, our goal is to provide a comprehensive look at the Sigma Mission 1P Vertical Machining Center and give our viewers a thorough understanding of how it works and what it is capable of. We encourage all of our viewers to like and subscribe to our channel if you find the video informative and helpful. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we post new content and can stay updated on all of our latest and greatest machining technology. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more in-depth looks at the exciting world of machining in the future. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and join us on this journey of exploration and discovery. Let's begin. The Sigma Mission 1P is a vertical machining center that is equipped with a pallet change feature. This allows for efficient and seamless production by making it possible for the operator to quickly change out the pallets containing the workpieces. The machine is controlled by a GE FANUC Series 0M computer numeric control system, which ensures precise and accurate movement of the machining tools. The table size of the Mission 1P is 750 × 400 millimeters. And the machine has a formidable range of motion with the X-axis reaching 600 millimeters, the Y-axis reaching 400 millimeters, and the Z-axis reaching 450 millimeters. One of the standout features of the Sigma Mission 1P is its N40 taper, which allows for the use of a wide variety of machining tools. The machine also has impressive 16 tool positions, allowing for even greater versatility in the types of tasks it can perform. Overall, the Sigma Mission 1P is a top-of-the-line vertical machining center that is well equipped to handle a variety of machining tasks with speed and precision. Its advanced control system and numerous tool positions make it an excellent choice for any workshop or manufacturing facility. In this moment of the video, we are demonstrating the Sigma Mission 1P Vertical Machining Center, simulating a tool change as well as a change of the double pallet. This will give our viewers a sense of how the machine operates and performs these tasks in a real-world setting. We will also be providing a quick, in-depth look at the travels of the machine's X, Y, and Z axes. These axes work together to provide precise and accurate movements, and understanding how they function is crucial to understanding the capabilities of the Sigma Mission 1P by showing the machine in action and explaining its various features and functions. We hope to provide a greater appreciation for the technology and its role in the manufacturing process. Thank you again for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos on the exciting world of machining, as well as updates on our latest projects and activities. Also, we would love to have you join us on this journey, so be sure to follow us on your preferred social media platform. See you very soon with another video. Have a great day.